Hello, this is Nikki and Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today we are going to take a look at the April Paletteful Packs box, and then I'm going to be doing a mixed media page with the items that I've received. So April's month, the month of April was done in collaboration with the Dear Jack Foundation. If you haven't heard of that before, what do they do? Yes, okay. They help young adults who have been diagnosed with cancer. And together, Paletteful Packs and Dear Jack are sponsoring this kit. And the theme for April is colored pencils. So far for January, February, and March, I was really excited about the themes and I loved all the product. This month, colored pencils, the theme doesn't exactly thrill me because I have a zillion colored pencils. But then on the other hand, I know colored pencils, so I know how to use the things that have come. And one of the things we got was a new on the market brand of, well, not brand, but type of pencil crayons. So, or they call it colored pencil. So, what did we get in the pack? Well, first of all, we're going to be working in colored pencil. We need an eraser, and this is a Faber-Castell PVC-free nylon type eraser. And of course, we're also going to need a pencil sharpener. And I have one of these already, and it's good. I believe it is Faber-Castell as well. Next, we have a colored pencil blending pen. I have a couple of these, but this one is by Finesse, formulated to blend wax-based colored pencils. Now, that makes me wonder if this will work with actual crayons, since they're wax-based as well. But we won't be trying that out today, but that is something that I am going to try this blender pen with. And it's double-ended. It has a, is that a brush or a, well, it's a stiff brush on that end. And then this is a more like a bullet point nib on that end. And we also received an eraser in pencil form, and this is by Faber-Castell again. So I like these kinds of erasers. They're good when you're working in pencil crayon. Now, what we have received is a package of 12 Goldfaber colored pencils, and let's read about why we're getting these ones. New to the market, outstanding color brilliance, high quality materials and manufacturing with the most innovative production technology provide maximum break resistance, an excellent light fastness on optimal painting effect of the water. I missed a word there. An excellent light fastness and an optimal painting effect of the water-resistant and smudge-proof lead. Quick sketches, lively hatching, or evenly shaded color gradients, all drawing techniques can be achieved effortlessly. Easy sharpening with all common sharpeners. So these are new to the market. And we have a set of 12 Faber-Castell Gold Fabers, and we get, I'll show that end, you can see that better. So we get basically the primary colors with a little bit of variation in there. The colors do not have names, they just have numbers. which is something that bothers me. I like my colors to have names. Then we got, which I won't be using today, but I'm quite excited about, we got a sketchbook, which has a special edition cover with Dear Jack and Paletteful packs on it. And this is made exclusively for Paletteful by Handbook Paper Company. Now, what weight of paper is this, does it say? 60-pound, 160-pound sheets. Ideal for colored pencil and graphite. So, not too thick, but it's decent paper. And then this I will be quite interested in trying out. This is a pad of bee paper, and it is natural white, texture vellum surface, excellent for colored pencils. 6x9, 25 sheets of 6x9. I haven't opened this, and I don't want to open it yet until I'm ready to use it. So we won't be using these two today because I like to work in my art journal when I do my first Paletteful Packs page. Now, I did start working on this page before I remembered that it was something that I wanted to film. So let me get myself set up here. Okay, so as I said, I started on this, and first thing I did was I found a page in a coloring book, which I colored using the colored pencils that we received. I also used the blender while I was doing it, and I tried out both erasers while doing it. And yeah, did I say I used the blender pen? So I used all these. I haven't used the sharpener yet, but I have the exact same sharpener already, and I know it's a good product. So this is what I colored, and I just stopped at the point where I had taken a Faber-Castell Oil Pastel from the February Paletteful Packs kit, and I'm going around my picture. So from this point onward, I'm just going to speed it up and put some music on, and you can watch me turn this coloring book page into a mixed media art page. So